What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Keen app for best results and free traffic without tech skills, paid traffic, or much content at all. So before that, make sure to like and subscribe to get more tutorials and guides just like this one, and also case studies. I have a lot of case studies on my channel. And watch until the end to learn why this might replace Pinterest, okay? People are touting Keen as a Pinterest killer. I don't know about that, okay? And I'm gonna also go over the potential problems with Keen and the best format types you wanna use to get traffic to your squeeze pages, to your sales pages, okay? Regardless of the niche, okay? Now Keen, okay? Keen is a app by Google. It's a Google product. Okay, so you might be thinking to yourself, wow, if it's by Google, I'm sure it's going to do very well. There's going to be a lot of traffic going to it. Now, Google has a ton of failed products and services. Okay, they have a ton of them. Google ARA, Google Reader, Google Talk, iGoogle, Google URL shortener, Google Desktop, Google Labs, blah, 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 blah. Let's not forget Google Plus. Let's not forget Arcadia. Arcadia is Google's gaming platform. I don't think it's doing that well. Nothing wrong with failure. That's the only way we can ever get to success. But yeah, you know, Google has a ton of money and a ton of time to create these little side products. Okay, so this might be a Pinterest killer. Who knows? It's very much in the same spirit of Pinterest. It's a mobile first platform like Pinterest. You know, most of the traffic on Pinterest comes from mobile usage. Same thing with Keen. They have boards just like Pinterest. These boards are called Keens. That's right, just like the app name Keen. And you know, it's image-based search engine, right? So this is my first Keen board I created about a week ago when I first learned about this platform. And as you can see, I got 1 follower. As you can also see here, I have a GIF. I have a GIF as my thumbnail image. This is great news. This means that I have higher chances of grabbing the attention of people who are searching on Keen, okay? And I created this one right here, simple passive income online methods, just a little bit ago, okay, to add some of my passive income case study tutorials. If you're a subscriber to my channel, then you've probably seen these already because you know, as you know, on my channel, I like to post a lot of my successes and also failures. Okay, and I played around with this board. Okay, I treated this like Pinterest, right? I added a bunch of other people's content in here, and you can see here what appears is an image from the website, the headline for that piece of content, and a meta description. Okay. And this internet marketing gym, this is my Keen account. So all of these pieces of content have my account name behind it. Okay, even though it's not my content. Now what I did here was at the very top of this Keen board, I added one of my case studies. This is a case study where I show people how I profited on ClickBank using Pinterest traffic. Okay. Now the cool thing is what I tested out, what I tried out with this with Keen was I didn't want to use any of the images on my landing page here. What I wanted to do was I wanted to actually see if I could add my own image. Okay. Not only that, I wanted to see if I could add a vertical image, very much like Pinterest. On top of that, I wanted to see if I can animate that image so that I can, you know, again, interruption marketing. When people are searching, I have a higher chance of getting people's attention if my image is vertical and animated, okay? And to my surprise, to my happiness, I found out that I could. Look at that, it's moving, it's animated, and it's vertical, beautiful, beautiful. And I also, if you check out the mobile side of things, so remember, Keen is a mobile first type of app. Again, my vertical image that appears right there. It looks very nice. That's all good. Now the potential problem. Okay, now I'm thinking this is SEO based, right? Just like Pinterest, right? Everyone, again, is touting this as a Pinterest killer. These other pieces of content, right? You can see the headline and the meta description, they're intact, okay? As soon as I added this image, by the way, this landing page right here, the one I'm linking to, of course, has a headline and a meta description, and it appeared here. But once I added this image, this GIF, then all of that disappeared. Now I still don't know. I just added this image like a little bit ago. Okay, I still don't know how this is gonna play out. Okay, perhaps my headline and meta description are playing out in the background, and the Keen algorithm is gonna pick that up and display it for relevant queries. I don't know. Okay, I do know if it does, I'm bound to get more attention because of the style of my image, my GIF. Okay, so now that you have that potential problem out of the way, I urge you to test on your own. Try both, adding some landing pages of your own with your headline and meta description intact, and also add some links with a pre-made image. I'm going to show you how to make the image right here in a little bit. Okay, well, first thing I want to show you is how to create a Keen board. So I can go back to Keen, my main account section here. I'm going to click this big plus button, and I'm going to write in, let me see, traffic. Let me see, what's a traffic-based good long tail keyword? How to get free blog traffic. Maybe that might work. Click next. Let's see what Keen gives me as some suggestions, some queries. Yes, this fits. I'm going to click create. Okay, now I have how to get free blog traffic. I'm going to edit this board, right? It says private. I'm going to uncheck this. Public. Okay, and let me see here. Let's see what advanced has to tell me. Okay, nothing of importance. Go back. Okay, now there's a bunch. First thing I want to do is find a bunch of related pieces of content. So gems are the ones that you save. Explore are other people's content. I want to save these, okay, by clicking the diamond, the gem. Okay, so I'm going to click. Let me see some good ones. Okay, how to increase blog traffic for free. I'll click that one. I'll click this one. I know this guy. It's this one right here. I'm going to add just a couple of them right here. Okay, Neil Patel. He's good. He's solid. Let me see here. Jeff Bulla's blog. I don't know who he is, but I'm going to give you some shout out here. Snap a blog. Very good. Okay, so, you can go on and share other people's content on your own time. Now I'm going to add my own. So these are my gems. I'm going to add my own site here, okay? So I'm going to click add link or text. I'm going to add my free traffic sources. Now, if you don't know, the majority of my traffic comes from Pinterest, YouTube, some Facebook, and right now also I do a lot of retargeted traffic, okay? So if you want my free traffic tools, I have 3. 2 of them are mine, actually. I had developed for myself. The third one isn't, but if you want them, make sure you check out the information below and I'll give you access to that for free. Okay, so I want to provide this to my Keen followers if they ever find me. So I'm going to add that link right here. Click, see, it doesn't have an image here. So I'm going to add my image. I'm going to go to this icon here and add my image. But that's what I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go to good old Canva, C-A-N-V-A. If you don't have a Canva account, absolutely free. If you've been on my channel, you know I'm all about Canva, okay? And the dimensions I'm using right now are 1500, what are they? 1500 by 2000, okay? Just if you're curious, that's what I'm doing, okay? So I'm going to put in here 3 free traffic. Very simple. I've been testing this very simple type of Pinterest pin, and this example is going to be a Keen pin. I don't know if a Keen pin is the correct terminology, but here we go. Tools. Okay, I'm going to blow that up. First, I want to change the font to this be cubic. I'm gonna increase that to 144. Free, 3 free, change the color to, wait. Change the color to red. Okay, because I want to scare people with red. I don't know why. Okay, and then go with free traffic tools. I use on a daily basis for leads and sales. Okay, I'm gonna add one of my Pinterest traffic screenshots here for proof. Listen, Canva is very simple. I'm going to show you how to animate this. Canva is very simple, not difficult to use, and yeah, very user friendly. I don't know what else to say. It's very user friendly. Everything is drag and drop, and you can get up and running in no time. Okay, so this is cool. Maybe add. Yeah, it's not the coolest. Let me see what I can do. Put in square. Go to elements, put in square. Okay. I have this square that I can move around and change to fit my overlay. See what I can do here. Make it stand out. Because the white on white just ain't working. As you would agree, I'm sure. Okay, position backwards. Okay, I got that. And then add some arrows here because this is a GIF, right? So elements, stickers, arrow. And we'll add this nice little red arrow. And move that around. Shrink it down just a bit. Maybe add another one. Okay, like that. Now, how to animate this? Very simple. Click out of the image, click animate, click tumble, or whatever type of animation you want. And voila, you have an animated Pinterest pin, or in this example, a Keen pin. Maybe change the background to red. What do you think? I think it's a good idea. Go to backgrounds and give me a red background, please. Well, let's make it yellow. Make it nice and simple. Okay, very good. Okay, so I got this traffic. Okay, I'm going to download. Check this out. Download as a GIF. Okay, so your GIF short animated clip number 1 and download. Okay, so I got my image downloaded, my GIF. I'm gonna go to Keen, shrink it down, click on the icon here, and here we go. Just added it on, boom. Just like that, I have a Keen post. And that's about it. Now again, I urge you to check this out for yourself. Remember to be mobile friendly. Right now it's trying to save, but it should be okay. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out the description below. I have a ton of resources, templates, a lot of free tools that I use on a daily basis that I know work. Okay, and here you go. Boom, Keen. Okay.